Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom cover to TikTok story video. So a lot of people doesn't know about this feature, and that feature is available on TikTok since a long time ago. So I'm here to show you, and I'm about to show you how you can exactly do that. So firstly, I want to go into TikTok app, tap on it, and after that I want you to go into this plus button where you can upload the videos and reels and TikToks or even the stories. So tap on it, and right here I want you to take a video or a photo, or I want you just to go into your gallery and choose the video that you want to upload on your story. So let's just set an example with a video. Alright, so that one. Okay, sorry. Next. Alright, sorry. So right here, as you can see, I have the option to edit the cover. So by tapping on it, I can choose the cover of the video just from here, or I can add a custom one from going to this plus button, upload, and then you can choose the cover for the cover that you want to be on your story or reel. So let's just tap on upload to set an example. So for example, I can add this cover even though it's not on the video. So after that, I just want you to tap on save, and it will be posted, and you can after that choose if you want it to be on your story or you want it as a post. So you can also add some custom choices just from here below, and you can type anything in this window or this cover. You can type like and share, for example, and after that tap on done, and positionate it where you want it to be, and after that tap on save. Anyways, this is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.